What's going on YouTube? Kevin Reese here. Today I'm going to bring y'all a video of these shoes. This Adidas box. Bam! So pick these up guys, order them online, you know how it is. Wanted some shoes for work because we have to wear all white. Bam! Adidas Originals Tubular Shadow CK. These are in size 9.5. Woo! Fresh, son. Check these out. So all white, got a little bit of black on them. It's cool though, work won't care. Anyway, check the bottoms of them out guys. We're gonna try these things on. Haven't even tried them on yet, been waiting to unbox them for y'all. So looks like Ortholite Comfort from the inside out, performance insoles. So got Ortholite insoles, so hopefully they'll be pretty comfortable. I've got a good bit of wear on my all white Nike Air Maxes, so I was looking for something a little different, something newer. I actually got these on sale. It was one of the sales that they were running, like on Amazon, or I think maybe it was eBay. I don't remember, but it was a sale they were running, and a pretty good sale actually. So I think like 46 bucks I picked these up. Not bad. So we're gonna go ahead guys, I'll try these on and let y'all check them out. Alright guys, so these are the shoes on. So that wraps up this video guys. I hope you found it informative and that it's helped you out with your purchase decision. Kevin Reese, hit that like button for me, subscribe to my channel. See y'all later.